The most dangerous rail skateboarding video of all time. The Weird Board Vert Ramp Challenge. Alright you guys, we're here tonight at Woodward West and they were nice enough to bring us out here to their facility and let us film 8 trillion videos. But we're here today for potentially the most dangerous rail skateboarding video of all time. You've seen Skate Everything, you've seen You Make It We Skate It, and you've seen all of these weird boards, but you've never seen them like this. Nigel, what are we doing today, my friend?
Not surviving, brother.
This is the Weird Board, what is it called again?
Weird Board Vert Ramp Challenge.
There you go. This is the Weird Board Vert Ramp Challenge. You have 5 weird boards right here, some famous rail skateboarding boards, and you have to drop in the vert ramp on all 5 of them for $1,000.
Do you have a time limit?
I don't think so, but do you want to?
I'd rather not, but I mean, if you want to, it's just gonna...
I just feel like some of these are so extremely dangerous.
Yeah.
There's no time limit though. When does it end?
When I give
Gives
up?
Or does it?
Or do it? Does it? Do it?
How about we do 20 minutes?
Okay, 20 minutes.
Is that fair? So Nigel Ryan Jones, you have 20 minutes, starting on the first drop in, to drop in on all of these boards, and we'll run you guys through.
I'm gonna drop in on mine again first.
So do you want a warm-up run, or?
Yeah, and then we'll go. But you can go through.
Okay, so the first board we have is the potato board.
One of the ones I don't want to do.
This one is super tiny compared to my face, and I have a big head. So yeah, this thing is sketchy. It whips out really easily. Not safe. Here we have the knife board, which has no grip tape, is real metal, and has slippery wood right here on this side.
I apologize, that was my choice.
Yeah, Dan and Fetty chose this one. This is the, what is it, the chain link? The chain link board. Weighs maybe about 15-20 pounds. Dangerous. This is the dead fish board.
That's
Super tiny trucks, huge board. What is this, something like?
It's a 12.
12?
Yeah.
Dang.
That's like eh. And that one's like eh.
Last but not least, I don't even know what metal this is, to be honest.
I don't know, but I know.
Titanium. This is a titanium board with the titanium 3D printed trucks. And those are the 5 you must go through. I just want a bit of a disclaimer in this video. Nigel, you do not have to do this. Like, you do not actually have to drop in on any of these boards if you don't want to. This is purely a challenge for you if you want an extra $1,000 in your pocket.
It was my idea.
And it was your idea. If any of you guys are thinking like, hey, we're forcing Nigel to do this, he doesn't want to, and we're literally making him, it's not the case. We're just trying to help him out and give him a challenge because he has been wanting one for a while. And with that being said, is there anything else you'd like to say before we begin?
Just gotta send it, bro.
Tiger eyes.
Did you guys show like what it looks like?
No, I didn't, not yet. Fisheye does it no justice.
It doesn't really do it justice. 15 feet.
Is it?
Yeah. 15 feet.
So basically, you look at it from right here and it goes underneath. It's oververt.
It's higher than when I go on the wall. And I get way higher on this. Watch, I'll show you. This is my normal board. Does time start now?
No.
Okay.
As soon as you want to start, just let me know.
All right.
Wow.
I love this thing! Alright. So that's that.
You get a massive sense of vertigo from up here when you're filming.
Yeah?
It's crazy.
Really?
Yeah. I know I'm far away, but I feel like I'm gonna fall off the edge.
I feel like I look tiny.
You do. That's why we have that camera.
Like standing down here and looking at it, it's so much different from up there. Up there, it's like, oh, it's not that big. And then now I'm down here, I'm like, I did not just do that.
You look like an ant.
This thing is huge. Why do I don't know.
Uzi, do you have any predictions?
I hope he doesn't die.
Yeah, me too.
That's not a real prediction, but I predict he drops in on a few of them.
And right here is the measuring stick for how high people actually air out. So it goes up another 12 feet. All right, so whenever you're ready, I can begin your timer.
Oh, I have 20 minutes, huh?
Yes, you do. I'm gonna get the timer set up right now. 20 minutes is ready to go whenever you are. Just let me know when. $1,000 on the line.
All right, well, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, you're going.
That's not just a big one. It's just a big board.
Fish! How was that?
Good. Scary. Scary. But good.
Yeah, Nigel. All right, that's one down. What do you think? He looked a little swirly on that one.
It was sketch watching it, but he did it good. Like that where the wheels are like this far apart. Like,
This one's like bendy. It's bendy.
You just gotta stay bolts, right?
Oh.
this one though. I fell on this going from the Braille house to my car in the parking lot of the Braille house. I fell 4 times going to my car and back.
Well, I
There
mean,
is
you
a
are
time
you.
limit.
I know.
Dan didn't know.
Uh-oh. Okay, buddy. Whew. All right. It's so flexible. Oh my God.
Dude. Literally,
This one's
both times I've like held my breath.
Did you hear the noise that made?
Yeah.
It was like
2 down. 2 down.
17 minutes and 48 seconds left.
That's a long time.
That is a long time.
But you know, he only has a few left, but those are worse.
Yeah, those are like moments of mental just fortitude. You got about 17 minutes and 20 seconds left. Got a lot of time.
The ones I like don't want to do.
Like if you want to go tighten the trucks or go warm up on a different drop in, I'll let you. It's just in the constraint of your time limit.
This is where it gets weird, brother. Oh, these wheels are soft too. It's a knife! Ah! Oh my God! I did it on a god knife! Oh my God!
That was wild.
So these next two are definitely the most dangerous ones, though.
Oh,
100%.
That's like.
I don't
The
know if
worst
it's possible.
two-
Yeah, I
boards
don't
now.
know either. I don't even know if I want to see if it's possible.
I'm afraid to watch.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so sketchy.
I'm on the worst two now.
Trucks aren't even straight on this. Like one of them's aimed like that way, and one of them's aimed like that way.
Was that? How was that? Is your adrenaline pumping?
Oh, that was so scary. Bro, it's just if I lean back at all, it's game over.
Unless you go practice on other ones.
Yeah, let me practice on this one. How much time do I have?
14 minutes and 50 seconds.
All right. 14 minutes. Give me something to drop in on. I guess let me try it in there, and then we'll come back. All right. Ah! See, that's why I'm scared of this one. I'm terrified of this one. It's just the Vert's a whole nother story.
I know, this one's still pretty steep though. That's pretty much Vert, just way shorter.
Yeah.
If you can do this, you can do that.
All right, I guess I'm just gonna send it. How much time do I got?
12 minutes and 55 seconds.
Okay.
Probably should have done 10 minutes now that I'm thinking about it, but
Oh, why?
you're gonna do it.
It's a whole nother story, dude.
You got this, I believe in you. After watching those two, I know for a fact you can do this.
I'm terrified now.
That was the fullest send I've ever seen. 11 minutes, 19 seconds.
11 minutes? All right, yeah. If I could do the one over there, I could do this one. All right, if I could do this one, I could do that. Hold it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's legit, dude.
Yeah. It's got weight. All right, Gabe. All right, Gabe. All right, Gabe. How much time do I got?
10 minutes and 4 seconds.
Okay.
The walk of victory.
I know. So I'm scared. I could do it, I think. That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my entire existence. Oh my God. The knife was scarier than this, but for some reason, it just worked better. This was terrifying. I am so scared right now. That was so scary. That was so scary. That was so scary. I can't. I never want to do that again. I never want to do that again. I can't believe I did it. The scariest one was this one, for sure. This was the scariest one, but I do feel accomplished, and I never want to do this again.
Well, you did it, my friend. You made it.
I haven't pushed myself that hard in a while, like past my mental block of like actually trying stuff.
When
like,
you went on that small one, I thought it was like done at the
Yeah.
end. Like I thought you were going face first, broken jaw like Fetty
I thought
down
so
here.
too.
Like just from the upper angle, I don't know what it looked like from down here, but from up there, it looked like you were wobbling and then it was gonna just cut off.
Dude, it did.
At the end.
Like, saved it.
Yeah, that was probably like the most afraid I've been for anyone while filming a video ever.
Oh yeah, I'm going fast.
Probably
That
on
was-
camera it doesn't look that high, but it's like
No, dude, it's giant.
it's like if you jump down from how high is that? I don't even know.
It's like 15 feet.
You jump down from like a second story.
All right, so I did that, and now I vow to learn air outs.
That's way scarier than airing out.
I don't know. I don't know if it is. I think I found a new love for Vert.
I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you.
I think that's like a huge accomplishment. You can walk away from this trip knowing that you are the freaking man.
And you know how terrified I was?
Yes, I know.
This whole time before filming it.
I have literally since driving down here yesterday, all I've heard was Nigel saying he didn't want to do those boards, but he did it, and that's what it's all about. It's about pushing past the mental blocks. It's about overcoming your fears.
Trying to bring
it's
my
about
heart rate down.
progressing on a skateboard. That's what we're all about, and we just do it in a very extreme and sometimes terrifying way. So there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should learn how to skateboard. If this video didn't inspire you to learn how to skateboard, I really don't know what will.
Get out there.
So
do
go
it.
to brailleskateboarding.com,
Send it.
get skateboarding made simple, full send, learn how to skate, and DM us, and we'll check out your progression videos. Thank you guys.